Welcome to the workshop. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty sanding with this beast of a tool, our new Mirka DEROS RS 600 rotary sander.
That's right, Trey. This sander is built to handle heavy-duty and coarse sanding applications thanks to its powerful 230-volt, 750-watt motor. As we open the box, we have the manual and the quick start guide. This manual contains all the necessary instructions to help you get started with your new tool. Next, we have the included sample pack that will help you get started with using the tool effectively. Moving further, we have the dust shroud. This accessory is designed to help guide dust and debris in the right direction when sanding with a pad saver, keeping your workspace clean. Then we have the pad wench. This small but crucial tool will help you easily change your pads on the machine, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. And then next, finally, we have the machine itself, the star of the show. Just look at that sturdy construction and that recognizable black handle for a good grip. Alongside the machine, we also have the power cord.
Absolutely. Despite its toughness, this sander is surprisingly light and well balanced, making it a joy to use even during extended sanding sessions. It weighs only 1.8 kilograms, about 4 pounds, and features an impressively low noise level. The minimal vibration significantly enhances operator comfort and efficiency, making it ideal for long-term use. I think it's worth showing the minimal sound of the machine. And one thing that I really appreciate is the brushless electric motor. It's designed to provide consistent power and performance, even under heavy load. You can set the motor speed between 700 RPM and 2,500 RPM. It also features a ramp-up function, which is a special slow start mode. It also includes LED indicators to control the speed.
Additionally, with its rotary motion, this sander delivers aggressive sanding action, making it ideal for tackling tough materials and heavy-duty applications, ensuring high material removal rates. The DEROS RS stands out with its lower and lighter design, facilitating faster sanding and more efficient dust extraction. Its suction system is strategically distributed around the backing pad, ensuring optimum performance beyond the mere hole alignment. Featuring a button plate design, the DEROS RS offers enhanced speed adjustments with ergonomically superior placement, making it easier and more comfortable to use. Additionally, as we said already, it offers a pressure-adjustable speed for customized operation.
Well folks, that wraps up our unboxing of the brand new Mirka DEROS RS. We can't wait to put it out to the test and show you what it's capable of.
Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tune back in for more tips from the workshop.